But the opposite is also true. When I am cruel, when I am critical, when I am judgmental, when I'm full of myself, when I'm arrogant, when I'm selfish, people see that and they think, okay, they say they are followers of Christ. That means that is what Jesus is like. And that's the problem. You see, people are not moved by our words. People are moved by our actions. Amen? Too many of us, can I just say this? Too many of us say too much and do too little. It's time that we stop talking and start doing. It's time that our words become action. Jesus didn't just talk. He touched, he healed, he made a difference.